Welcome to today's video on the remarkable benefits of cod liver oil. Are you dealing with constant tiredness, fragile bones, or even difficulties with sexual performance? Do you ever feel as if your health is stopping you from reaching your full potential? What if I told you that a simple, natural supplement might be exactly what your body has been needing? Cod liver oil has been used for centuries as a trusted remedy for countless conditions, and modern research continues to uncover its impressive advantages. From protecting your heart and strengthening your bones to boosting your immune system and calming inflammation, cod liver oil may help you feel more energized and live with greater vitality. So if you're ready to elevate your overall well-being, keep watching as we explore the most important benefits of this powerful natural oil. It's time to take control of your health and unlock what your body can truly do. A quick reminder before we begin. Everything shared in this video is for educational purposes only and should not replace professional medical guidance. Let's explore what cod liver oil can do for you. Before you begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment where you're watching. Remember to subscribe to receive more natural health tips and share your thoughts in the comments. It's always a pleasure to see the reach of our community. Number 1. Boosts heart wellness. Cod liver oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA and EPA, which have long been associated with better heart health. Studies published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry show that omega-3s can lower triglycerides, support healthier blood pressure, and reduce the risk of irregular heart rhythms. Alongside these healthy fats, cod liver oil contains vitamins A and D, both of which play supportive roles in cardiovascular protection. Low vitamin D levels have been connected with higher heart-related risks, while vitamin A helps regulate cholesterol and reduce plaque formation inside the arteries. More recent research from the Journal of the American College of Cardiology highlights compounds called resolvins, derived from omega-3s, that help reduce inflammation and promote healing in the cardiovascular system. If you want these benefits, always choose a high-quality cod liver oil for the best results. Number 2. Enhances cognitive performance. Cod liver oil might not win any awards for flavor, but its nutrients can support sharper thinking and healthier brain function. Its omega-3 fats, combined with vitamin D, nourish the brain in multiple ways. EPA and DHA help reduce inflammation, promote blood flow, and support new neuron growth. These essential fats have also been linked to better mood and reduced anxiety symptoms. Meanwhile, vitamin D plays a significant role in memory and cognitive ability, especially in older adults. With aging populations increasing, brain-supportive nutrients are more important than ever. When selecting a cod liver oil supplement, always go for reputable brands with testing for purity. Consistency is key. Your brain benefits most when cod liver oil becomes a long-term habit. Number 3. Strengthens the immune defense. Cod liver oil naturally contains vitamins A and D, along with anti-inflammatory omega-3 fats. These nutrients work together to reinforce immune strength and help your body defend itself more efficiently. Vitamin A supports the health of your skin and mucous membranes, your body's first protection barrier, and activates essential immune cells. Vitamin D regulates immune responses and ensures proper function throughout the system. Cod liver oil also includes specialized pro-resolving mediators, or SPMs, which help the body resolve inflammation and repair tissues more effectively. A study from the Journal of Nutritional Science found that individuals who used cod liver oil for 12 weeks experienced better lung function and lower inflammation, especially those with chronic respiratory issues. Number 4. May reduce symptoms of depression. Anyone who has battled depression knows how deeply it affects daily life. The good news is that several nutrients in cod liver oil may help support emotional well-being. Vitamin D, a natural component of cod liver oil, is known to influence serotonin, the neurotransmitter responsible for stabilizing mood. Vitamin A also offers protective benefits for brain tissue and may help support healthier mood regulation. And then there's DHA, an essential omega-3 fat that keeps brain cells functioning properly and reduces inflammation commonly linked to depressive symptoms. Together, these nutrients create a natural combination that may help lessen emotional strain. While it's not a replacement for medical treatment, cod liver oil can be a helpful addition for those seeking natural support for their mental well-being. Number 5. Supports strong, healthy bones. Have you ever noticed some people maintain strong bones well into older age? Cod liver oil may be one of their secrets. Its omega-3 fats are beneficial, but the standout nutrients for bone strength are vitamins D, A, and K, present in significant amounts in this supplement. Vitamin D is necessary for calcium absorption. Without adequate vitamin D, your body cannot properly use dietary calcium. Research in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism showed that vitamin D intake increased bone density in women with osteoporosis. Vitamin A is essential for bone growth and remodeling. According to the Journal of Bone and Mineral Research, deficiency can raise fracture risk. Vitamin K, meanwhile, helps direct calcium to the bones rather than soft tissues. A Journal of Nutrition study found that adequate vitamin K improved bone strength and reduced fractures in postmenopausal women. Adding cod liver oil to your routine can support long-term bone resilience. Number 6. Helps maintain healthy eyesight. Imagine enjoying a clear horizon or a stunning night sky, only to feel your vision slipping. Cod liver oil provides nutrients that help protect your eyesight naturally. Its vitamins A and D are essential for preventing common vision problems such as night blindness and dry eyes. DHA and EPA, the omega-3s found in cod liver oil, help fight inflammation linked to eye diseases like macular degeneration and diabetic eye damage. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition showed improvements in people with dry eye syndrome when taking omega-3 supplements similar to those found in cod liver oil. Another study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition linked omega-3 intake with lower risk of age-related macular degeneration. Number 7. Promotes healthier skin. If you're looking for a natural way to rejuvenate your skin, cod liver oil may be just what you need. Rich in omega-3s and vitamins A and D, this oil helps soothe irritation, repair tissue, and keep skin glowing. It also contains beneficial compounds such as alkyl glycerols and squalene, which help protect skin cells from oxidative stress and calm redness. From acne to dryness to stubborn redness, cod liver oil supports clearer, stronger, and healthier-looking skin. Number 8. Eases menstrual discomfort. Cod liver oil has long been valued for easing inflammation, but new research shows that its vitamins and fatty acids together can significantly reduce menstrual pain. A study in the Journal of Obstetrics and Gynecology found that women who used cod liver oil during their cycle experienced both reduced pain intensity and shorter duration. Omega-3s reduce inflammation, while vitamin D enhances calcium absorption, important for proper muscle contractions. Vitamin A helps balance prostaglandins, the compounds responsible for cramping. Together, these nutrients may offer a natural solution for menstrual discomfort. Number 9. Helps reduce gut inflammation. Cod liver oil is one of the most effective natural supplements for calming digestive inflammation. Its omega-3 fats are powerful anti-inflammatory agents, but modern studies show that DPA, vitamin D, and vitamin A work together to soothe irritation and strengthen the intestinal lining. This combination can help ease digestive discomfort and support long-term gut health. Before we reveal the final benefit, Please take a moment to like and share this video. Your support helps us reach more people seeking natural health solutions. Number 10. Supports sexual health and performance. Imagine improving sexual wellness with one simple daily supplement. Cod liver oil may help support better performance and satisfaction. Vitamin D levels strongly influence sexual health, and low levels have been linked to erectile challenges. Cod liver oil can help raise vitamin D levels naturally. Omega-3s promote healthy circulation and reduce inflammation, both essential for strong sexual function. Vitamin A supports hormone production, including testosterone, which influences libido and performance. By supplying these nutrients, cod liver oil may help support healthier sexual function and increased confidence. How much should you take daily? According to FDA guidelines, cod liver oil should be used in safe, moderate amounts. Always choose high-quality brands tested for purity. The FDA recommends staying under 3 grams of combined EPA and DHA per day. Cod liver oil also contains significant vitamin A, so avoid exceeding labeled doses. Store your supplement in a cool, dark environment, and if you take medications or have health concerns, speak with your doctor before starting. Possible side effects. Cod liver oil is safe for most individuals, but be mindful of a few potential side effects. Because it contains high levels of vitamin A, taking too much may cause toxicity, leading to nausea, dizziness, or more serious liver problems. Its natural blood-thinning effect may increase bleeding risks in people taking anticoagulants. Consult with a healthcare professional before adding cod liver oil to your routine. And there you have it, the powerful benefits of cod liver oil. From heart support and immune strength to reduced inflammation and improved sexual wellness, this supplement offers impressive advantages. If you're striving for better performance, stronger health, and more energy, cod liver oil may be a great addition to your daily routine. Always choose quality brands, consult your doctor, and enjoy the journey toward better well-being.